Here is how we can download Microsoft Teams on the iPhone. Let me fully guide you through the process. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you don't have the app, you have to at first look up the App Store. So you go to your phone and find it along your icons right there. You can find an App Store like this. You get inside and then tap on the search field of the magnifying glass in at the bottom right. Into the search field, you type in Teams. You don't technically even have to type in Microsoft because it's likely going to show up right there. And you need to tap on the Get button next to it or the cloud icon, which is if you have used it before. So you just confirm it, perhaps scan your face, depends on your verification process for downloading apps. But once you went through all of this and the app is going to be installed on this device, you can tap on open and get inside the application. So in order to start using it, it depends on if you want to create an account or not, because it is technically possible to use it even without it. You can see that I am signed in right here, but on a device which I'm not signed in to the Microsoft Teams, I can basically join a meeting even without an account. So if I would click on a join a meeting without like signing in or anything, I have to type in the meeting identification and a passcode likely so I can connect to someone else's meeting, but without having to sign in with any account. So if you only want to use it temporarily or occasionally, then I guess it's going to be fine. But keep in mind that without account, you cannot create your own meetings. You can only join someone else's. But it's not really a huge problem. If you want to sign in, you can obviously just click on the sign in button and go with your existing Microsoft account or create a new one from scratch. So you will then have the ability, as I said, to create your own meetings and, have your history of calls in there, and more features are going to be available. So I hope it helps. If you have some more thoughts or questions specifically about this, let me know below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.